Like, y'all really have been supporting me, and I'm loving it, okay? I will not be here without y'all. I appreciate the love and the support.
Yeah, beats.
Yeah, I'm on citrity. Blessings, some blessings, you're coming.
Welcome to my channel, okay? If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say welcome back. Welcome to seeing this gorgeous face on your timeline. And this your first time running to my video, welcome. My name is Saygbah, of course. I'm from West Africa. I don't discriminate on this channel, so it's okay. Bring it in. I don't bite. And this your first time running to my video, thanks for watching this video. So on this channel, we do hair, beauty, fashion, and a little bit of lifestyle, okay? Anything around it, anything that have to do with what I love doing. And it's okay, I also take requests from everybody. This is a us channel, it's not just about me. So when everybody put in a request, whatever you want me to do, I do it. So if you have any requests, if you watch any of my old videos, and if you see anything you want me to redo, let me know, okay? I'll remake it. We don't discriminate on this channel. We love everybody here. And this your first time stopping by, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all been doing so good with me. Like, y'all really have been supporting me, and I'm loving it, okay? I will not be here without y'all. I appreciate the love and the support. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into this video. Into this video, we are talking about LuvmeHair. This is the 18-inch high density breathable lace closure. I believe it's deep wave. It's a deep wave closure, okay? It is 18-inch. I didn't add nothing to it. I just add water to it, and this was it. And in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I install it, okay? Again, it is a closure, so it really didn't take me that long. But yeah, this is it. This is more of a natural look to me. I didn't want nothing too long. All my wigs I have are super long, so I was trying to try something shorter this time. So that's why I tried an 18-inch, okay? So don't forget to watch this whole video. And if you like, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So for the part of the hair, I decided to do a voiceover. So this is the hair at the natural state, and I tinted using my Ruby Kiss foundation. It's literally easy. You just get a shade that match you, so that way it's easier for it to blend onto your skin, onto your scalp, should I say. So it give it like that smooth finished look without even like spraying anything on it. That's why it looks so blended into the skin. I made a side part, but I think I should have switched to a middle part. But here I'm just showing y'all how I do my side part. It's not that much parting space, but it's still enough to make a little side part. So I did a side part, and if you know me, if you've been here watching with me for a long time, I use the bed hairspray and some Gotta Be gel. It's okay, you don't have to worry about it taking out your edges. It won't take out your edges the minute you sweat. Literally, I stand in the shower and that thing come right off. That's why I'm able to switch off my wig like 3-4 times in a weekend, because I use the gel. It come out real fast. I cut the tab of the lace because it make it easier for some reason to like lay it down. So I usually cut that little extra part off at the end. Then I cut the full lace. For this part, I'm just going back in with my spray, cut the lace literally in the middle, and use the razor. Ladies, don't use scissors. Scissor give it like that sharp look. Razor give it like that zigzag look that make it look so more natural instead of just having the line go straight across. Trust me, it's worth it at the end. And after that, I just tie it. Use my hot comb. Ladies, if you still don't have a hot comb, what are you waiting for? Okay, get a hot comb. It's needed. And in this part, I'm showing y'all how I define my part again, because I took the part out. I have the towel around me because I be messy. I am not a girly girl with these things, okay? Things be getting everywhere. So I put the towel around me, usually when I have to like spray the hair and define the parts. So that's what I do. And I also use my bed hair spray to also like use it for my flower way, or you can use the stick, the wax stick, to make sure there's nothing in the way. Another thing I just realized is I use alcohol wipes, these little wipes that I have, to help remove extra product of my lace. I know that's off track, but that's what I do. Let's just keep watching. So after I define my part, I try to make some baby hair. And y'all know baby hair is not my occupation, okay? I cannot make baby hair to save my life. But again, this channel is about learning. We don't judge. We don't criticize each other. We just do what we do to the best of our abilities. That was so funny. But I try to do baby hair. Let's watch how that goes. And I made a baby hair right there for my closures, because it make it easy for you to like cover the little side. Do you know the little edges of the lace that make it look so bulky? It make it easier for you to cover it with the baby hair if you put the baby hair at that end, if it makes sense. You see right there, that little black part right there, you use the baby hair to cover it up. That's what I do anyway. So if you think it worked for you, you can give it a try, and if it don't work, that's okay. This is how I do my baby hair, y'all. Yeah, it was an epic failure. Guys, if you don't know how to do baby hair, it's okay. You're not alone. I'm a learner too. I'm still learning. Not I'm still learning. I'm learning, okay? This channel is about us learning together. And baby, when I tell you I cannot do baby hair, I cannot do baby hair. But let's keep watching. Yeah, that's the best I could do. Do not judge me, okay? We are not judging on this channel. But that's my baby hair. But y'all know when it comes to the hot comb, your girl is skillful, okay? I love me some hot comb. Again, ladies, if you don't have a hot comb, get one. So let's just watch. And I use my concealer to define my part. It make the part look more clean instead of just leaving it like that. That way you can see like the part in your hair. You see what I'm talking about? You see right there. It give it more of a defined looking shape instead of just everything just looking so blended together. For this I use my water bottle, literally water bottle. That's it. I just put water in the bottle and just spray it everywhere in the hair. I don't think this was my best makeup look, by the way, but we gonna move. And this, the hair, you see everything is coming together, is having that natural look, that natural finish look, without even having to do anything. That's the look I was looking for, okay? And if you need to use your hot comb for the top, once it get wet, you can do that, because that's what I also do sometimes. I go back in there with my hot comb and I just spray it. That's what I did. Okay guys, that was the end of the video. If you watched to the end, thanks so much. I just want to say again, if this is your first time stopping by, you are very welcome, okay? It's all love on this channel, okay? We get to know each other. I'm getting to know you, you getting to know me. If you have any requests, leave it in the comment. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the love and the support. Have a nice day, y'all.
Chaos Beats.